Welcome, friends. Today is not just another day. Today is the day your life begins to change. What if I told you that success is not only for the lucky ones? Success is a choice you make every single day. Success is not magic. It comes from your habits. Many people dream of doing great things, but they say, I can't do it because of my habits. Let me ask you, what's stopping you from changing your habits? This video is not for those who want to stay the same. It's for fighters, dreamers, and those who refuse to live an average life. If you follow these 10 habits, your life will change. Grab a notebook and write them down, not just to remember, but to live by them. Take them step by step. Habit 1. Wake up early. Have you ever wondered why so many successful people talk about waking up early? It's not just about getting out of bed. It's about setting the tone for your entire day and, ultimately, your life. Early mornings give you a head start, offering a calm, distraction-free time to focus on yourself and your goals. When the world is still quiet, it's just you and the opportunity to take control of your destiny. Waking up early sends a powerful message to yourself. I'm serious about my success. It might feel difficult at first, and you may think, I'm not a morning person. But that's just a belief you can change with small, consistent steps. Here's how to get started. Plan before you sleep. Decide what you'll do in the morning, whether it's exercising, journaling, reading, or simply reflecting on your goals. Having a purpose makes waking up easier. Start small. Don't try to overhaul your routine overnight. If you wake up at 8 a.m., try setting your alarm for 7:45. Gradually adjust until you reach your ideal wake-up time. Place your alarm far away. Keep your alarm clock or phone out of reach, so you're forced to physically get out of bed to turn it off. This small trick can make a big difference. Create a morning ritual. Use your mornings intentionally, exercise to energize your body, meditate to clear your mind, or read to gain knowledge. Even 15 minutes of focused activity can make your day feel more productive. Remember, every time you choose to wake up early, you're building discipline and prioritizing your dreams. Success doesn't come from staying comfortable. It comes from taking intentional steps, one morning at a time. Start today and watch how this small habit transforms your life. Habit 2. Learn something new every day. Knowledge is the key to freedom. Each day is a chance to grow and improve. Successful people never stop learning. They know that if you're not learning, you're not growing. Learning doesn't have to be hard. Read 10 pages of a book every day to change your mind. Watch a video that inspires or educates you. Write down what you learned to remember it better. If you learn one new thing every day, at the end of the year, you'll know 365 new things. That's huge. Habit 3. Listen more, speak less. Many people enjoy talking, but successful people know the power of listening. Why? Because listening allows you to learn, understand, and grow. Speaking less doesn't mean being completely silent. It means being mindful and thinking carefully before you speak. It's about choosing your words wisely and using them with purpose. When you listen, you create deeper connections with others. You understand their needs, their perspectives, and their ideas. By paying close attention, you also open yourself to opportunities that others may miss. Imagine two people in a meeting. One is constantly talking, trying to impress others, while the other listens attentively to every word spoken. Who do you think comes out with more valuable insights? The listener. Listening is not just about hearing words. It's about fully absorbing the message and being present in the moment. In the long run, you'll find that those who listen more often are the ones who learn faster, make better decisions, and build stronger relationships. Habit 4. Take risks. Life is short, and time doesn't wait for anyone. Imagine looking back one day and thinking, I wish I had tried. The weight of that regret will be far heavier than any failure you might face. Taking risks isn't about being reckless or making impulsive decisions. It's about trusting yourself and believing in the potential of your dreams. Every great success began with someone willing to take a risk. Whether it's starting your own business, pursuing a passion, or moving to a new place for a fresh start, courage is the foundation. You might stumble along the way, but each failure is a lesson. It's an opportunity to learn, grow, and try again. And remember, what if you succeed? The rewards of taking risks often outweigh the fear. Ask yourself honestly, what do I truly want from life? What's stopping me from going after it? Then, take that first step, even if it's a small one. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. The biggest risk you can take is not taking any risk at all. So, embrace uncertainty, take action, and move toward the future you've always dreamed of. You'll be amazed at how much you can achieve once you stop holding back. Habit 5. Learn to say no. Do you find yourself saying yes to others just to avoid disappointing them, even when it doesn't feel right? While it's natural to want to help or please others, saying yes to everything often means you're neglecting your own needs, time, and goals. Successful people understand that saying no is not selfish, it's necessary. When you say no, you're setting boundaries and protecting your time, energy, and focus. It allows you to stay aligned with your priorities and focus on what truly matters to you. Be honest with yourself and others. If something doesn't feel right or doesn't fit your goals, it's okay to say no. Learning to say no isn't about rejecting others. It's about saying yes to your own dreams, growth, and well-being. Remember, every time you say no to distractions, you're saying yes to the life you want to create. Habit 6. Take care of your body and mind. Your body is your temple, and your mind is your power. Eat healthy food, exercise daily, and meditate. Replace junk food with fruits and water. Exercise doesn't need to be intense. 20 minutes of walking or yoga makes a difference. Meditate for 5 minutes daily to calm your mind and focus. Avoid bad habits like smoking or drinking. Take care of your body and mind because they are the foundation of your success. Habit 7. Remove negativity. Negative people have a way of draining your energy and bringing down your confidence. Their pessimism can cloud your mindset and hold you back from reaching your full potential. That's why it's important to cut them out of your life. Instead, surround yourself with positive, supportive people who inspire and encourage you to be your best self. Equally important is spending quality time with yourself. Take at least 5 minutes each day to be alone with your thoughts, free from distractions. This helps you recharge, reflect, and stay focused on your goals. Another powerful tool is practicing gratitude. Every day, think of 3 things you're thankful for. It could be something big or small, like a good meal or a kind gesture. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's going right in your life, bringing peace and clarity to your mind. The more you practice it, the more you'll find yourself appreciating the positives and feeling empowered to handle challenges. Habit 8. Manage money wisely. Money may not be everything, but it plays a crucial role in giving you the freedom and security to live the life you want. Learning to manage your money is essential. It's not just about earning more, it's about making smart decisions with what you have. Start by creating a budget to track your income and expenses, and look for ways to save, even if it's just a small amount. Don't waste your money on things that don't add value to your life. Instead, invest in your future. Build an emergency fund so you're prepared for unexpected situations. Think long-term by investing in things that will help you grow, like improving your skills or purchasing assets like property. By making wise financial choices today, you'll set yourself up for a secure and prosperous future. Habit 9. Make decisions and act. Indecision is the silent killer of dreams. While others hesitate, successful people take action. They understand that waiting for the perfect moment often leads to missed opportunities because perfection rarely exists. Instead, they gather the necessary information, trust their instincts, and move forward. Even if the outcome isn't perfect, they know progress is better than standing still. Every decision you delay is a chance wasted, a moment you'll never get back. So, take control, make the call, and pave your path toward success. The only bad decision is not making one at all. Habit 10. Smile and never give up. Your smile is more than just an expression, it's a powerful tool that radiates positivity and inner strength. When you smile, you not only brighten your own day, but also the day of those around you. Life will throw challenges your way, and it's easy to feel defeated, but remember, success isn't about avoiding failure, it's about having the resilience to keep going, no matter how many times you fall. Never give up on your dreams, no matter how difficult the path may seem. Keep pushing forward, even when it feels like you're not making progress. And as you rise, don't forget to help others along the way. Share your knowledge, offer kindness, and lift others up. When you help others succeed, you'll find that your own success grows even more. Keep smiling, keep moving forward, and never give up. Your persistence and positivity are the keys to achieving greatness. Quick recap of the 10 habits. 1. Wake up early. Start your day strong and with purpose. 2. Learn something new every day. Grow every day to build the life you want. 3. Listen more, speak less, learn from others, and build better relationships. 4. Take risks. Don't let fear hold you back. Take the chance and go for it. 5. Learn to say no. Focus on yourself and your dreams. 6. Eat healthy, exercise, and meditate. Take care of your body and mind. 7. Block negative people. Spend time alone to protect your peace and energy. 8. Make money and invest it. Don't waste money. Save and invest for a secure future. 9. Make decisions and act. Stop waiting. Take charge of your life. 10. Smile and never give up. Face challenges with courage and hope. Remember, my friends, your life is made by your habits. Every small choice you make today affects who you become tomorrow. These 10 habits are not just things to do, they're your key to living a life full of purpose, success, and happiness. Keep smiling, help others, and never give up on yourself. You have the power to change your life, but it starts with you. Now go out there and make the life you've always dreamed of. The world is waiting for your greatness. Make it happen.